Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily and thank you for joining me today. It is February 21st, 2023. As always, this is not financial advice. Please don't copy my trading strategies because you will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. And today is a good example of how this strategy can go wrong. Also want to say I apologize about last week's Friday episode. Apparently there was no sound recorded. I'm not sure what happened, but I'm aware of the issue and I reported it to YouTube, but I haven't heard back. So anyway, let's take a look at the markets. Horrible day today. We gapped down about 1% and was waiting for the gap to fill, but I just guess I got a little used to the gaps filling because that's what it's been doing for the past month or so. But now we're definitely seeing a lot of weakness. And if you remember from last week, I told you that the markets are consolidating and we should expect to see a move either up past the 4,200 level or we're going to break down. Well, the conditions were unfavorable and we are trending down, obviously. So we're trending down to the point at which we are no longer even trying to kind of recover. I mean, this is the most of a recovery that we saw all day besides here, but that quickly was given up and there was no respect for some of these support levels. You could see we kind of danced around this area right here, try to come back to it, but it quickly failed. And we didn't even respect the 4,000 level. We broke down below the 4,000 level without much of a fight either. This kind of reminds me of the 4,100 level right here, where everybody thinks that this is going to be a major area of support. But what ended up being, it was much lower by about 10 points was the support. So just keep an eye on this level too. 4,000. If you're placing these strategies, like placing these puts in the strategy, like what I'm doing, then just keep an eye out. Maybe you want to place it just below 4,000, somewhere about 3,990. Obviously, it depends if we stick around in this level for some time. We'll see what happens. We should be getting some more information about the Fed minutes tomorrow. Speaking of more information, today we did get the PMI data, which came in hot and basically showing that inflation is not easing. So we gapped down before the data, and the data came out. It did not help at all. So let's take a look at the trades. I had 5 trades on today. I had one, as you can see here, did not even get tested, not even close. It was a call at 40.95 level. And then I had I had 2 at 40.15. And I had one at 2 at 4,000. Obviously, both of those are in the money right now, and I had to roll them out. So and obviously today is, well, it's not Monday, but it's the beginning of the week where I have other covered call calls that I'm selling as well. So let's start with the SPX. So you can see that I placed 2 orders for the 40.15 level, 1, 2. And there's that call that never got tested, and there's 2 for the 4,000. Did not expect it to come to 4,000. I mean, that's quite a big drop on the day. Unfortunately, we did not even attempt to recover. At the end of the day, we kind of just hovered around this area and gave up. So I rolled them out, and I rolled them out until tomorrow. The 40.15s from today, get rid of that. The 40.15s from today got rolled into 3,995, which is right here. And I got an $85 credit per option for those. And the 4,000s were rolled 50 points lower to the 39.50. And here they are right there. So my positions are done for today. Done for tomorrow. And we shall see what happens. Hopefully we won't go down as much tomorrow. I don't think we will, but we're going to try and roll out if we do. And if we don't, we're just going to let these sit here and expire worthless. So that's it. If you guys like this content, please be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. What? Last thing as always. All of these right here were a profit of 2,244. So, yep, that is it. Thanks. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.